Alright, those are sirens. Tornado warning. Really close. Already got the cats down in the basement. Let's see what's going to happen. Whew. Tornadoes hit about 11 o'clock on Memorial Day night. I had the cats down in the basement for a couple hours. I checked in and out, but no severe damage for me. I did spend about 20 minutes down there when the house got shaken pretty good. My neighbor got about $3,000 worth of hail damage to his car. My RV came through pretty good. Now this video is me driving to my landlord's other property that he rents out because I'm going to help him out because it's in an area that got hit pretty good. He's as much friend as he is a landlord. I got everything closed off. I'm trying to go straight. Alright, the way I want to go, I can't get there. There's some damage over here. I've never been here before, so I'm just following the GPS. But it don't want me going this way. Lots of roof shingles off. This has no idea where I'm going. Alright, let's see if I can find it. I did this video because I was going to help with some cleanup. I had no intentions of making a video just to prey upon other people's hardships for a YouTube video. But a lot of people have been asking how things are, so I figured I would show people a little bit, a tiny bit of what happened to Beavercreek, Ohio. We had 3 tornadoes that night. 2 of them were F3s, and one of them kind of literally bounced over my place, according to what the Weather Channel was saying. There really were about 15 nervous minutes where it was due to hit my direct neighborhood. Sadly, one person did lose their life on this. And I have another friend that they're going to be out of their house for at least 6 months because they can't inhabit it now. But luckily it wasn't worse, but it was bad enough. I'll throw in some random pictures and then we'll get to my buddy's place that he rents out. This is it. He's got about 8 good-sized trees that are down, and somebody's sunroom kind of thing ended up here, complete with fan and lights and everything. But it's got to be a few blocks away because we haven't been able to figure out where it came from. Again, luckily no one got hurt.
Now that was Turner, I think. Okay. Turner. He's a representative congressman. So it may, whether or not it was the line or not.
So as you can see, what everybody's doing is just line the streets with all the debris for the city's going to come through and pick it up. He did learn from his insurance company that they don't pay you anything if a tree falls. If it hits your house, they'll cover you. But a tree just falling, that's on you. He lost some shingles and is going to need a new roof, but luckily nothing structural. All right, I'm just going to drive around. There are lots of people helping. There must have been 5 groups of total strangers asked if we needed any help. The fire department there was driving around and other people were doing the same, handing out free water. Generator going, hooked up to the power station. I really had no desire whatsoever to be in anybody's way, so I just drove around real quick to see a little bit of the damage. But this is going to consume the lives of quite a few people for a long time. Had the air maxed out because it was really hot and muggy outside, and that wasn't fun with all the cleanup that we were all doing. I guess every tree service within a couple 100 miles was in this area trying to help out. I feel guilty being a looky-loo, but I did come out and spend about 5 hours out here. I called him to see if his house was all right, and then he told me about the rental and asked if I could help. I was like, yeah, just let me get my boots on. A lot of damage out here. So, and I told him at the end of this day, I'll be back because those trees ain't gonna chainsaw themselves.
Destination on the left.
Good, he left. Neither of us had eaten and were pretty tired, and I was kind of worried he was going to end up hurting himself. And I told him, tomorrow's another day. And then the day after, and the day after. So many people just going around helping. A lot of them said they were from Xenia, which is not too far away, and in the 70s had a terrible F5 that hit the whole city, killed like 60 people or something, so they were here to help. It's kind of part of their identity now.
Turn left.
I had to go check out Primanti Brothers, which is my favorite sandwich you can get in the area. I know it's a Pittsburgh thing, but there's one in Dayton. I heard it got hit, but it doesn't look like much structural damage, but it's still going to be a while. So luckily I had one last week. Hopefully I can make it for a while. Beavercreek is a suburb of Dayton, Ohio. It's off of 675. The local Aldi's had the roof get lift off, but mainly I want to hope that everybody here gets to have a great and wonderful day soon.